Hello, I'm Jen with Getaway Today. Thank you so much for joining us on our YouTube channel where you can find the best tips and tricks for your next Southern California vacation and beyond. I have got an exciting treat for you today. In our office, we have got the Country Inn Suites by Radisson Anaheim. And we've got David, who is the general manager, as well as Gary, who's the director of sales. And no one knows their property better than both of them. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Absolutely. Thank you
pleasure
for having us.
We've had a delicious lunch provided by you, great training, and we are eager to tell you all of the great reasons to stay at this fantastic hotel. In fact, we're going to talk about our top 5 best ones and go from there. So again, today we're going to talk about our top 5 favorite reasons to stay at the Country Inn Suites by Radisson Anaheim. We worked with you guys since you began 2 years ago, and you don't have to just take our word for it. This hotel is award-winning, and so quickly. Gary, tell us a little bit about the awards that you've already won.
Well, thanks for asking. Really appreciate it, Jen. Well, a big reason why we won the award is because of the support of Getaway Today. They've been a phenomenal partner. We just entered our second year anniversary, and in a quick 2 years, we're pleased to say we've won several awards. New Hotel of the Year with Radisson in 2017, and last year we won the Best Hotel of the Year for Radisson brand, the President's Award, and we also won the Be Our Guest Award for customer service. So in a very short time period, we've already won 3 awards. Additionally, we out of 120 Anaheim hotels, we're ranked number 7 last year, and to date, February 2019, we just climbed 4 spots to number 3 ranking on TripAdvisor. So it's a pretty exciting time for our hotel.
Hey, that is huge. Did you catch that? 120 hotels, and you guys are ranked, when you see number 3 right now. That's huge. You can see our guests, we love sitting in this direction because you give that award-winning customer service to each of our guests, which we sure appreciate. Thank you.
Thank you.
So our number 2 reason to stay at this fabulous hotel is the location. I had the treat of staying there with some girlfriends last year, and we loved the proximity you were to everything. Do you want to tell us, David, a little bit more about why guests are going to love where you're located?
Absolutely. So we are exactly 10 minutes from door to main entrance of Disneyland. Pedestrian-friendly sidewalks. We have a fantastic view. So without being on the park, we can be on hotel property and still see the fireworks at night. And again, it's only 10 minutes door to door.
So we loved that because as soon as we left the hotel, we saw Guardians of the Galaxy, and so we already felt like our walk was practically
right.
into the Disneyland Resort area.
There's almost an uninterrupted view from our patio pool to Disneyland and California Adventure.
That's awesome. And you're also close. I'm remembering kind of the Convention Center, Honda Center, and the Garden Walk too, right?
That's
You've got
correct.
Quite a bit
Yes,
of things
within
right
minutes
there.
of each venue that you just named off, we're just a few minutes either shuttle ride or a taxi ride down the street.
Awesome. And conveniently located off the freeway too.
Absolutely.
Yeah. I mean, we were able to go shopping quick. Like anywhere we wanted to go, you were a great home base.
Yes, we do have outlets of Orange, just one exit south of us, I believe.
Awesome.
Pretty popular destination once the park is completed and you have that checked off with your family.
Great. Okay, so great destination for location especially. So this third item is huge for Getaway Today guests. A lot of them come from cold weather and they are excited about the California sunshine. Tell us about your pool area.
Thanks for asking. We have one of the most amazing pools. It is a spectacular pool. I've been told it can hold up to 131 kids. And
awesome.
The unique thing about it is that it is an infinity pool. For the little children, they don't have to pull up. They just swim right out of the pool. Our location is fabulous because you get fireworks view from our pool. Also, right outside our terrace dining and bar area, we have heater lamps so you could sit there and enjoy the scenery. You see the sunset. And again, our guests just love everything about it. There's showers, towel racks, we have restrooms, and it's lit up at night, so great ambiance for a pool setting.
That's awesome. So my good friends stayed at your hotel last summer, and they'd been driving from Utah and got to the pool, like it was open like 9 or 10. Loved, they were just already in that pool. They sent me gorgeous pictures, you're right, with just the lighting. It was such a nice ambiance.
Thank you, and of course we have the heated hot tub too. So.
Oh, good. You have everything. Great for families. Fourth, we mentioned the pool is great for families. This whole hotel is made for families, and your family's going to love it. Gary, tell us some of those reasons.
Thank you so much. Our guests love all the value-added amenities we have, starting with a full breakfast buffet, complimentary. We have complimentary parking, which is also very hard to come by in Anaheim. Special for your Getaway Today guests is we do waive the $17 resort fee a day. We also have complimentary high-speed internet throughout the entire hotel. And last but not least, we also have a free guest laundry facility. We have a in-case market gift shop. We do sell a laundry soap there, but it's a real convenience for our guests. At nighttime, we do put out cookies. We have all-day hot chocolate, tea, and hot coffee as well.
So free is what I'm hearing. That you have got fantastic, even to a hot cocoa at the end of the day. You've thought of everything. That's great for our guests. So a lot of our guests are like, we just need a comfortable bed to sleep in and just, something close to the park. So of course this fits the bill and you get all those extras. But I can't stop without saying how nice your rooms are. Tell us a little bit about, especially how spacious they are.
Well, thank you. So we have oversized guest rooms. Our suites, every single guest room comes with a microwave, refrigerator, in-room coffee maker as well. If you're traveling with babies or infants, we do have pack and plays available. We have extended suites with additional square footage for those that are packing heavy and need additional room for their luggage. But it's just not your standard guest room hotel.
Great.
Every guest room we have is just a bit larger than anything else you would find in Anaheim.
Awesome. And we'll link you to one of our room tours, because I can't say enough how impressed I was with how oversized the rooms were. So many hotels nowadays are just built to put tons of rooms in, and you guys really gave room to the guests and have larger square footage than really any hotel I've stayed at in a long, long time.
That's correct.
Yeah, well done. It was sure comfortable when we stayed there. Well, those are our top 5 reasons to stay at the Country Inn Suites by Radisson Anaheim. Do you guys have anything else you'd like to share?
Well, we'd just like to say a great big thank you to Getaway Today. It is a fantastic partnership. They are so professional. We really have grown leaps and bounds in our 2 years that we've been open, in large part due to the support that we get from Getaway Today. So I highly recommend anybody out there who wants to have a first-class trip to Disneyland to book Getaway Today.
Oh, thank you so much. And of course, it has been, like you said, a great partnership. And it's been great to have our team go out and get to see the hotel firsthand, experience those large hotel rooms and the great breakfast. They give you so much more for your money. Thank you, both of you, for being in our office today.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And a couple tips. Remember, this is a big year. If you are thinking of traveling anytime in 2019, don't wait to book. You're going to want to stay at your first choice of hotels, which is, of course, this one. So don't wait. Get it planned now, whether you're going summer, into Halloween time, the holidays. It's important to get that planned now. And of course, you can use our layaway plan where you can lock in your savings for just $175 down and make payments towards your vacation. So don't wait to stay at the Country Inn Suites by Radisson Anaheim area. Thank you again. Those are our top 5 reasons. As always, thanks for joining Getaway Today. Be sure to link to our YouTube channel and to subscribe as well. The links will have our current specials, But I'm Jen with Getaway Today. Thanks for joining us.